everyone. Gaga Joy's cooking. Today we're just going to do a real quick recipe, and I know this is what I love this time of summer. It's called stuffed pepper casserole, and you do it in one skillet. You don't have to make a big mess everywhere, and it's good for more than one day. Now I'm doing a pound of hamburger, and it's a little greasy, so I take the grease out. But you can do it with ground turkey. I've got my oven on 425. Do take a little bit of that grease off. This is my good sand hamburger. Still is my favorite. I love going to Sam's to get the good hamburger. It's 87.13 or 88.13 or something like that. Okay. That's it for right now. Okay, I got the hamburger going. Got that down. Just cut up the onion. I got my peppers cut up. I think on hot days, it's so good just to have one thing that you don't have to clean the whole kitchen and just for a meal. And I do have a couple people coming. So with a little bit of garlic bread, we got a meal. It's got enough vegetables in it, we don't even need salad. Well, that one seemed to be a little skippy. Let's go ahead and put our onions in. I'll let that go to the top. We've had the weirdest summer we've ever had. It's still weird. But life changes, doesn't it? Sure does. Just going to sweat our onions down a little bit. And here's our peppers. It's about a cup and a half of peppers. I went ahead and cut them up last night. I had another recipe of peppers, so I thought, well, might as well get them all going. And we got plenty of flavors and Tabasco and Worcestershire and pepper, garlic, a little bit of Italian. And it is pretty. I know a lot of people say that to see something pretty makes it taste better, and I do agree for that. You're going to have to put some salt. Just I did, and all the peppers I did have, I had yellow, red, and orange. See, this was one I didn't have. Yep, you get it. Green. But it's still pretty. And to use a cup of rice, you can use white, mine's brown rice, I'm against it, so I'm going to use brown rice, and it's already cooked. So, it's quick as this, so I'm going to use it. like in the summertime, even when the house is full, I don't really want a big meal. Just put the tomatoes in. I've got diced tomatoes with basil and garlic. Just got a little oregano. I'm not real crazy about oregano, but real good with it. Okay. And let's put a little bit of sriracha in it. I'd say about a teaspoonful. And about a tablespoonful of Worcestershire. Here's some garlic and pepper. We'll go with about a teaspoonful. It's got plenty of everything in there. A little bit of Italian. So, a lot of good flavoring. A lot. And let's add the rice. Like I said, and the reason I didn't use white rice is because it's a quick white rice, and I had the brown that's, I call it a bit more stable, and we still have brown rice. But you can use white. You can leave out what you don't like. It's still just going to be a basic one skillet. Now you can put it in a casserole dish if you want to. If you want to take it somewhere, sure enough, I've done that. Because it is such a pretty dish to take somewhere. And I think we've got everything. Now comes our cheese. Got about half a cup or more of cheddar. I think I put a little bit of it in it. And this is pepper jack. It's good with cheddar. And of course, a little corn. And I think we're ready for the oven. So we're going to the oven. Well, as you see, I got it out of the oven and it does look good. I let it set for 2 or 3 minutes just to get settled a little bit. I'm not very sure if it's going to cool off. Not a good choose. Something for the weekend, that's for sure. Oh goodness. Drop dead good, and you know what we're doing. There's not a thing in there. It's not perfect. Well, I will have to say, it'd be something really good to make this weekend. I hope you try it. Because it's got every flavor in it. And when you take a bite, no, I'm not going to take it too hot. Well, see how pretty it is? Yeah, it's pretty. Take care of yourself. Have a good weekend. And JD's had a good week. We have a lot of things coming up this week. So keep us in your prayers. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. We can find it every day. See you soon. Bye.